Hello, I'm Lisa Arana and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about fast cards using washi tape and these big bold sentiments from the brand new Say It Big holiday stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. It features these big bold sentiments for the holiday season, plus little accent words and sentiments that you can mix and match. I have all my supplies ready to go for these really easy cards, just some pattern paper and washi tape and some sequins just for accents. I have my card base all set to go, just covered in some fun striped pattern paper. Then I stamped my sentiment, the big bold words with an accent of joyful and the little happy tree that comes in the set, and that's also on some subtle pattern paper, and then I just die cut that into a rectangular shape. So I'm going to grab the first of my two washis. This is a nice bold dark pattern that just creates a nice base. So I'm going to tear off a strip that's just a little bit bigger than my rectangle, and then lay that directly down onto my card front. Just like that. And now I got it a little bit too long, so washi's so forgiving, I just tore off the edge a little bit there, and then kind of cleaned it up with my nail. Just like that. Looks cute. I love how washi is just really random. You don't have to have a perfect edge. I love the look of the torn edge. Just creates a little bit more character. Now I'm just going to glue my sentiment panel directly down onto my card. I just don't want it to come off in case something happens with the washi tape, so I'm just going to secure it with some tape adhesive and just glue that straight down. Next up is our second strip of washi tape, and I decided to go with something shiny and gold. This turned out not to be washi tape, so there's no sticky backing to it, so I'm just going to use some liquid adhesive, dab that on. I don't want it to get too crazy in case it smears onto the front of that shiny gold pattern. So I'm just kind of sparingly adding that, and then I'm just going to glue that straight down to the front of my card as well. Tack that down, just let it dry for a few seconds. It dries fairly quick. And then last I'm adding some gold sequins just to kind of go along with that gold washi. I love all the shine that this adds. You could also use enamel dots, rhinestones, maybe some nouveau drops, so lots of options to add a little bit of sparkle and shine to the front of the card. Just using some glossy accents to glue these down, and using my rhinestone pencil to pick these up. So here is the finished card. I just love how quick and easily these came together. They'd be great for mass production or that last minute card that you need in a hurry. Just a little bit of shine to feature that big bold sentiment, and those washi tapes for an added bit of fun. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for creating along with me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!